One of the clearest sources of truth on construction projects is a model. Having access to the information within that model is critical for teams both in the office and on site in order to make timely decisions and minimize rework. With easy-to-use access to 3D models from a mobile device, teams can visually communicate changes to stakeholders, document any constructability or quality issues, and improve collaboration between cross-functional teams. With the PlanGrid Build mobile app, teams can view and navigate 3D models on-site to better understand design and installation context. From within the mobile app, select any isolated model or multi-trade model saved within the Files tool. This includes Revit, Navisworks, IFC files, DWG files, and others. These can be accessed from the cloud or downloaded directly to the device for use in the field. Any permissions set within the Files tool on a desktop are the same on a mobile device to ensure the right people have access to the models. Once the model is opened, users can easily navigate throughout the 3D model to better visualize design intent and find relevant installation information quickly. Orbit around the model by swiping a finger on the screen or use the joystick to move into the model. Expanding the minimap gives users a bird's-eye view. Dragging the viewer icon around the map will move the users to that location, making it easier to navigate larger models. Toggling on the gyroscope allows users to intuitively look at their surroundings within the model by lifting and moving their device, helping to translate the model into their surroundings on site. Viewpoints are saved camera angles and locations within the model. Selecting a viewpoint brings the user to that location and looking in that specific direction. This helps users in the office to communicate visual information to users in the field. Users can create viewpoints in Navisworks. Navigate to the model location being worked on, select an object, and choose Properties from the tool pop-up. Models also store property data such as materials, constraints, dimensions, identity data, and more. This data can be essential for installation requirements and following design intent. By helping teams on-site and in the office to visualize their 3D data, BIM workflows in the field keeps project teams up to date, enabling them to quickly respond to problems as they arise.